Hello, my sweet friends. I was in the Dollar Tree the other day and I found this thing right here for $5. It's a make your own sign, and I'm not an artist of any sorts, but I wanted to give this a try. Okay, so this is the kit from the Dollar Tree, and it says it comes with everything, paint and brushes included, and comes with the sign. So we're going to open it up. And these stencils. Oh, it says additional materials: water cup, paper towels, flat surface to paint on, toothpick optional. I think I'm going to paint this all white and do that in black in the middle. While I'm getting that to dry down completely, I'm going to go ahead and make a simple 2-loop bow with this black and white plaid that I have. And I'm going to zip tie it off in the middle, and then I'm going to take some ribbon to cover up the middle part. So here I'm going in with my zip tie. I'm going to crank it all the way down, and then I'm going to trim that off after I fluff my bow, because I can't leave well enough alone. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a strip of ribbon. Make sure you cut it long enough. I'm going to fold it in on itself on both sides, wrap it around the middle part, and tie it off 2 times in the back, and then trim up the excess ribbon. Okay, now I'm going to dovetail my tails. So what you do is just fold it on itself and cut it aslant. Alright, so my sign is dry. Now I'm going to do my best to fill in this welcome with black. I have this fabric I picked up from Walmart. I believe they're called Fat Quarters. It's by Waverly. So I wanted to use that material on the bottom part of my sign. Now I'm going to get my Mod Podge and lay that down on the bottom half of that sign. Now I'm going to place the fabric where I have that Mod Podge, and I'm just going to gently, slowly smooth out any air bubbles or any kind of creasing or anything. Now I'm going to use my scissors to trim off the excess fabric. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go over the top part of the fabric with some extra Mod Podge. Now I'm going to use this jewel border stickers. I found this at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place that right in between where the paint is and that fabric. So basically I'm just covering up any mechanics. I have this ribbon. It's almost like a cord that I had in my stash. So I'm going to take it and go around the outside of this sign just for extra detail. And it is black and white, and I thought it tied everything together. Okay, made my way all the way around the sign. I'm going to trim this off, and I'm going to give it a little bit of extra glue there. Now I'm going to put a generous amount of glue at the top part of that sign, and I'm going to place my bow right on top of that glue. Friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.